Hello, beauties. Welcome to the pilot episode of Makeup 101, your ultimate destination for all things makeup. I'm Lucy, and we're going to travel this journey together. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll never miss out. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the essential step that sets the stage for flawless makeup: skin prep. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, prepping your skin makes a world of difference on how your makeup looks and lasts throughout the day. So let's get started. And there you have it. Our skin is prepped and ready for some makeup magic. But remember, everybody's skin is different, so adjust your skin routine to suit your needs. That's a wrap for today's makeup episode 101. Hope you understand the importance of prepping your skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more beauty tips and tutorials. Stay fabulous!